Raising kids is such an important job, but sometimes parents separate. When this happens, they need to navigate child custody. A good child custody law firm can be a huge help. These law firms specialize in legal issues involving where a child lives and how much time they spend with each parent. There are many things to consider to find the right lawyer for your case. Let's look at a few of the key factors. First, your lawyer needs experience in your local custody law. Each U.S. state has specific custody laws and procedures. A firm comprising experienced lawyers will understand these details inside and out. These details include things like filing deadlines and required forms. Courts also have their unique language and procedures. A local family attorney will be experienced in your courts and will have built relationships with other professionals involved in child custody cases. These professionals can include child psychologists or financial experts. The connections can help gather evidence and build a strong case for your child's best interest. Negotiation is the next crucial skill in child custody cases. The goal is to reach a custody or co-parenting agreement that works for both parents and, most importantly, your child. A skilled negotiator can help you avoid going to court by reaching a custody agreement outside of the courtroom. This can save you money and emotional distress. Trial advocacy expertise is another key factor in choosing a lawyer. While most child custody cases are settled outside of court, sometimes you can avoid going to trial. If your child custody or divorce case goes to court, you need a firm with lawyers who can confidently present your arguments and evidence to the judge. The lawyers will question witnesses, introduce evidence, and deliver compelling closing statements. Next, consider the way they communicate. A successful child custody law firm prioritizes clear communication. They understand that legal matters can be confusing, so the child custody lawyers will take the time to explain things in plain English. You should expect regular updates on the progress of your case as well. Most importantly, your lawyer should be readily available to answer your questions. Whether through phone calls, emails, or in-person meetings, they should create a communication system that works for you. You also need to seek a firm that cares. Child custody battles often involve a roller coaster of emotions: worry, anger, sadness, and confusion. A good law firm understands this. They not only fight for your legal rights, but also offer emotional support and understanding. This doesn't mean your lawyer needs to be your therapist. However, they should create a space where you feel comfortable expressing your concerns. They should listen patiently to your fears and frustrations, and acknowledge the emotional toll this process can take. Compassionate lawyers can be a calming presence and a source of strength during a difficult time. Ultimately, a lawyer who shows empathy values you and your child's well-being. This translates into a stronger commitment to your case. You also need to consider how they approach custody cases. A child-centered child custody law firm puts the needs and best interests of your child at the absolute forefront of everything. This isn't just about saying they care. Their commitment shows in all their actions. These law firms have child-centered attorneys who will gather evidence and build a case. They'll consider your child's age, emotional needs, and relationship with each parent. The child's wishes, if they're old enough to have an opinion, will also factor into the decision. You can expect the law firm to fight for your rights as a parent too. However, they'll do so within the framework of what's best for your child. They'll advise against bad-mouthing the other parent in front of your child, and they'll encourage solutions that promote healthy co-parenting whenever possible. Divorce and child custody cases can be resource-draining and expensive, so look for a firm that is transparent about costs. Knowing what to expect financially allows you to prepare and manage your budget. The firm should have a clear fee structure that outlines all payments. Their cost breakdown may include their hourly rate and retainer fees. It may also comprise any potential extra costs associated with the custody case. Before working on your case, the law firm should give a detailed estimate of legal fees. This estimate should reflect the specifics of your case. This should also be adjustable as the case progresses. Choosing the right child custody law firm can significantly impact the outcome of your case. It may also shape your child's future. Don't stumble through this challenging process alone. You'll find detail-obsessed family attorneys here at Blattner Family Law Group who can handle the complexities of your divorce.